Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holders? So, Bittorrent holders doing a very huge mistake, and if you do this mistake, then definitely you are completely in the loss, my brother. What's the mistake? The mistake is that, my brothers, to holder are starting selling. Definitely, if you're starting selling, then you are in the loss. If you're starting investing more, then you are in the loss. There is one option, one way, my brothers, to you hold it. You know why I will tell you to hold it? Because I already, my friends, do a technical analysis. I already do a price prediction, but this time you can see here I'm going to show you some interesting. So this time you can see the change occur last 1 hour and last one day, last 7 days. These three changes completely falls down. So it's mean whether to this coin is completely going the garbage now, because this coin is falls down like a rocket. So therefore I think this coin go this coin cannot go in the moon. This coin go in the earth, brother. So you can see here it falls down from last 7 days, minus 5.53%, definitely after a very huge jump, my brother. So this time, after this jump, this coin is completely starting moving upward. So I hope, my brother, in upcoming time this coin is also give you very good profit, but you need, my brothers, to hold it. BTT holder, if you hold this time, I hope, my brother, in the future will be bright and they will recover soon now. So you need to hold, don't sell it. The price is 0.0044 USD dollar, and if we check out, my friend, the last 1 month chart, then we understand to really there this coin is, my brother, will give you a profit or not. So this time you can see here, especially from last 1 month, this coin is falls down, but after that, as you can see, my brother, they take a very short jump, especially on last and the first week of this month. But definitely after that, as you can see, my brother, this coin again falls down. So I suggest to all of you, my brother, to don't sell it, hold it. Remember to hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now. They will give you a very huge profit now. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.